Hi beauties, you are welcome to Glory Beauty World and Skincare channel. If you are new to our channel, you are very much welcome. This channel is all about skincare, how to formulate effective skincare products that are 100% natural and chemical free. Here on this channel, we also share skincare tips and DIY home remedies that will help you to achieve a flawless, radiant and even toned complexion. So in today's video, I'll be showing you DIY home recipe that will effectively soothe and treat your sunburn. I'll be introducing to you 5 natural ingredients and I'll be showing you how you can combine them together in order to achieve a very good result. You can find these ingredients in any superstore. They are all inexpensive and you can also be having them in any corner of your house. And if you want to use exactly the ingredients that we use here on this video, please kindly contact us and we'll get it across to you. And if you like our contents and if you want to see more of these videos, kindly support our channel by subscribing, liking and also leaving a comment below. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that whenever we upload a video, you will be the first to be notified. Thank you very much. Now come with me, let me take you to our workstation. All right, come. You are welcome back. I will take you through the ingredients and also let you know some of their benefits. You can also check on Google to know more about them. So here is an aloe vera. Aloe vera is great for sunburn because it helps to relieve pain and redness by reducing inflammation. The gel also stimulates the production of collagen, which helps the healing process. You can also use this or the freshly extracted aloe vera gel from the plant. This is vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil can prevent and reduce the formation of sunburns. It also moisturizes, soothes dry skin and also flaky skin. It also helps to relieve the burning and itching sensation that causes a sunburn. Here is pure honey. Honey is for treating sunburns. It absorbs into the skin and moisturizes the skin. It brings down the swelling and redness and is filled with lots of nutrients required to repair the broken tissues. This is apple cider vinegar. Applying a vinegar solution to a sunburned skin is a tried and true sunburn remedy. Apple cider vinegar soothes the pain and speeds up the healing process. Here is vegetable glycine. Glycine is used on sunburns. It effectively traps moisture in the skin and also soothes the burn, thereby aiding fast cellular repair. Now let me show you how you can mix all these ingredients together. Firstly, get a clean bowl with a spoon or a spatula for stirring. Add 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Add half tablespoon of honey. 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. Half teaspoon of vegetable glycine. 1/8 teaspoon of vitamin E oil. Then I will give it a very good stir to enable all the ingredients to mix together. This is an effective DIY sunburn solution for soothing and treating sunburn. It will also help to reduce the redness and the itchiness. Using a cotton wool, you are to apply this at night on the affected areas 3 to 4 times in a week. Rinse off after 30 minutes. Be consistent if you want to achieve a better result. Always store in a refrigerator after use. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more of these videos. Like and share and comment below. See you soon. Bye for now.